I'm just about to start my lesson. I just teach English. That's just the information I need. Well, the word just in English is quite an important word. Well, it is used in different ways. And that's what we're going to learn in today's lesson. We're going to learn how to use the word just correctly in your conversation. Hey friends, it's just me, Niharika, and today we are going to learn how to use the word just in English. Yes, when you think about the word just, well, you would rather say that, that's a simple word to use. But then guess what? Well, there are various ways that you can use the word just in English. People get a little confused, so to clear your doubts, well, here's the way you can use the word just in your conversation. Now, firstly, we're going to understand the way we use the word just as a time expression. Yes, there are two ways to it, so I'll help you with some examples and clear your doubts. So, we use the word just as a time expression when we are talking about something that has recently happened. Like you just did it some time ago. Okay, so here are two examples for you. Well, the first one is Jane's just back from work. Okay, so probably it's just been 5 minutes or it's just been 10 minutes, but this thing happened recently. Okay, you're just talking about few minutes ago. So you can use the word just. Oh, Jane's just back from work. Okay, so you use the word just when you talk about something recent. Another example for you. He just finished his report. Okay, so probably there's this guy who was supposed to finish his report and he's just got done with it. Okay, so it's quite a recent thing, like just few minutes ago or just maybe an hour ago, but you are talking about a recent activity that just happened, and therefore you use the word just. He just finished his report. Okay, so using the word just as a time expression, well, there's another way that you use the word just as a time expression again when you talk about something which is going to happen immediately. Okay, something important that's just going to happen from now, okay, like immediately. So to understand this better, let's have a look at two examples here for you. I'm just getting ready to leave. So probably you're leaving for work, for a movie, for a party, but guess what? You're just getting ready, all right? So it's an immediate thing and then you're going to leave. So therefore, you use the word just. Another example, I'll just finish this and then we can go. Well, sorry about that. It's I'll just finish this and then we can go. Okay, that's incorrect. It's just finish and not finished. So here again, you are talking about something that you're just gonna do immediately and then you're gonna leave for somewhere. So therefore, you end up using the word just. Got it? So a quick review on this. You use the word just as a time expression when you are talking about something that recently happened or when you are talking about something that is going to happen immediately, right? Now, there's another way to the way you would use the word just in your conversation. Now, it is used as an adverb which means only, okay? So, to understand this better, let's go through this example here. Don't worry, it's just an old thing. So, it's kind of a synonym for the word only or simply. Okay, so like you say, oh, it's simply an old thing. So you can use the word just instead. Oh, it's just an old thing, right? Another one, I just need some time to relax. So basically you are very tired or too much of stress and you need a break. You need a vacation or probably a small holiday or maybe a getaway. So you are using the word just, which is actually a synonym for the word only or simply. Like, yeah, I'm stressed. I simply need a vacation. I only need a break to relax. But then instead you use the word just. So I just need some time to relax. Okay, that's clear? And then another way to use the word just in your conversation is as an adverb meaning exactly. You know, at times you say, that's exactly what I needed. Well, instead of using the word exactly, you can use the word just. Now, let's have a look at the example here. This is just the information I need. Okay, you called up and you wanted to inquire about something. And then you got the details and you're pretty happy about it. So, how do you thank and appreciate? Well, you can say that, this is just the information that I need. So, it's either used instead of the word exactly or instead of using the word precisely, okay? So, you know, when you say, precisely, well, you can use the word just instead. Another example for you, well, John is just the person for this job. So again, you know, you're pretty happy about getting someone for a certain job. Nobody else could have done it, but yes, John is just the man who can do it for you. So you use the word just. So rather than saying, John is exactly the man that you need, right? So you use the word just. So these are the ways that you can use the word just in English. We've reviewed on time expression. So let's quickly understand the two other ways that you can use the word just as an adverb, which means only or simply. Okay, when you're talking about something that's just only, like I only teach English, so I just teach English, okay? And then you can also use it as an adverb meaning exactly. So go through these examples once again and try to use the word just in many different ways. Also remember that we can use the word just in many fixed expressions as well, which we are not covering it in this lesson, but I'll soon come up with a lesson which will have expressions with the word just. So stay tuned with us and I'll be back with a new lesson. Till then, you take care and have a great day.